A missed call, a delayed arrival, or a change in price can turn into an unhappy customer when the message is unclear. ChatGPT can help a handyman write faster, professional messages, but you must control the facts and every promise. In this video, you will get a simple prompt for customer texts, emails, and voicemail scripts. We will use a fictional door repair appointment as the example. Use placeholders for sensitive customer information. Then, insert verified details yourself. Start by giving ChatGPT 4 things: the purpose of the message, the facts you have confirmed, the tone you want, and anything it must not promise. Try this prompt. Act as an administrative assistant for my handyman business. Draft a short customer message using only the facts I provide. Use a friendly, professional tone. Do not invent prices, dates, arrival times, warranties, diagnoses, discounts, or commitments. Put every missing detail in brackets for me to complete. End with one clear next step. For an appointment confirmation, provide the verified date, arrival window, service requested, and preparation instructions. ChatGPT might draft: "Hi, customer name. This is business name confirming your door repair appointment for date with an arrival window of time. Please make sure the doorway is accessible and secure any pets before arrival. Reply to confirm that this still works for you. Review every bracket before sending." Now imagine you are running late. Do not say, "I will be there in 10 minutes," unless that is truly confirmed. Give ChatGPT the original appointment window, the current verified estimate, and the options you can actually offer. A safer message says, "Hi, customer name. I am running behind because the previous job took longer than expected. My updated arrival estimate is time. If that no longer works, I can offer verified alternative. Please let me know which option you prefer." When an inspection reveals additional work, avoid announcing a new price before you have verified the scope and cost. Right. During the inspection, I found an additional condition that was not included in the original estimate. Before doing that work, I will explain what I found and provide a written change for your approval. No additional work will begin without your authorization. Adapt this wording to your actual business policies and local requirements. For email, ask ChatGPT for a useful subject line, a short opening, a scannable body, and one action request. Keep the important details near the top. A follow-up email might summarize the work discussed and list the documents attached. Identify anything still awaiting confirmation and ask the customer to reply with approval or questions. Do not let AI add attachments, warranties, deadlines, or completion claims that do not exist. For voicemail, keep it brief. State your name and business, why you called, what the customer should do next, and a callback number. For example, "Hi, customer name. This is your name with business name calling about your door repair request. I have one question before I can finalize the next step. Please call or text me at phone number. Again, this is your name at phone number. Thank you." Never include private project details in a voicemail unless the customer approved that method. Before sending any AI-assisted communication, check the recipient, dates, times, address, price, scope, contact information, and every promise. Remove anything invented, overly confident, or outside your authority. Make sure the message sounds like you, not a robot. Read it aloud. Shorten long sentences and replace formal phrases with natural language. Save your best approved messages as templates for appointment confirmations, delays, estimate follow-ups, change requests, payment reminders, and review requests. Templates save time, but every message still needs a final human review. The complete prompt is in the description. Next, AI Work Crew will show how to create a professional job checklist.